Hello guys, my name is Shubham Jain and today we are going to discuss some questions on races which comes under time, speed and distance. So here we go. Our first question is, in a 100-meter race, A can give a head start to B of 10 meters and to C of 28 meters. In the same race, how much head start can B give to C? So here we can see that the race is of 100 meters. A, B and C. So if A runs 100 meters, B will run 90 meters. In a fixed time, if A runs 100 meters, so in that particular time B will run 90 meters. So C will run 72 meters. In the same race, if B runs 100 meters, then C will run how many meters? This is the question. The question is, how much head start can B give to C? So suppose that if B runs for 100 meters, so and C runs for X meters, so we can see that the ratio should be same, 90 divided by 72, 100 divided by X. Here we can see that X would be 80. So when B runs 100, C will run 80 meters. So B can give a head start of 100 minus 80, 20 meters to C. Here is the solution. You may have a look. Let's move on to the next question. Next question says, in a 500-meter race, the ratio of speeds of two contestants P and Q is 4:5. P has a start of 140 meters, then P wins by how many meters? This is the question. So suppose that this is a racetrack of 500 meters. P would be somewhere here. This distance should be 360 meters. Ratio is given P ratio Q. This is given 4:5. This is the ratio of speeds. So when P runs 360, then Q will run 360 divided by 4 into 5. It will give you 450. So Q will be somewhere here, P will be here. This distance is 50 because this is 450 traveled by Q. So P wins by 50 meters. You may have a look on the solution. Let us move on to the next question. Next question says, A runs 4 times as fast as B. If A gives B a start of 60 meters, how far must the goal on the race course be so that A and B reach it at the same time? I would suggest you guys to pause this video here and solve it with yourself. Now, ratio is given, A ratio B 1:4. This is the ratio of speed. So here is the difference of 3, and it is given that they reach at the final level at same time. So we can see that A gives a start of 60 meters to B. So 3 is 60, then 4 would be 60 divided by 3 into 4. It will give you 80 meters. So the total length of the track would be 80 meters. Here is the solution. Let us move on to the next question. In a 500-meter race, A reaches the final point in 28 seconds and B reaches in 35 seconds. By how much distance does A beat B? Here we can see that B reaches in 35 seconds, A reaches in 28 seconds. So B ran 7 seconds extra. So in 7 seconds B would have traveled, the speed of B is 500 divided by 35, and in 7 seconds he would travel 100 meters. So this is the case. You can see B would be here, A would be here, and this distance is 100. So 100 would be our answer. Here is the solution. Let's move on to the next question. In a 500-meter race, the ratio of the speeds of two contestants A and B is 3:4. A has a start of 140 meter, then A wins by. So here we can see that the ratio of speed is given. A ratio B, which is 3:4. A has a start of 140 meter. Total length is 500. A is here, so A has to travel 360 meters more, and B has to travel 500 meters. So the time taken by A would be 360 divided by 3, say 3. In the same time, B would travel into 4, so it will give you the distance traveled by B. So it is 480 meters. So A wins by 500 minus 480 is equal to 20 meters. Here is the solution. That's all for today's session. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.